As we talked in our previous PPTs and slides about reading, writing, encoding, decoding, formal, non-formal mails, how to write memos, what all needs to be mentioned in that, how do we keep our approach normal, how are we academic, how are we soft spoken. Now we are going to discuss about reading skills for academic and workplace contents. Our focus is going to be understanding and analyzing, extracting meaning from written material used in schools, jobs, and business settings. And the key learning areas would be skimming versus scanning versus in-depth reading. This would be the first one. The second one is going to be reading strategies for technical and business texts. And the third one is going to be extracting key information and evaluating creditability. And the fourth one is going to be interpreting charts, reports, and executive summaries. That means in this slide, I am trying to identify that we are going to read about the module third. We have been discussing previously two modules, the first module and the second module. The first module was about communication excellence skill for career and life. The second module was about professional writing, clarity, tone, and impact. Now the third module is about reading skills for academics and workplace contexts. We are going to focus to understand and analyze the meaning from written material used in schools, jobs, and business settings, and what will be the key areas which we are going to talk about: skimming versus scanning versus in-depth reading. This would be the first bullet which we are going to talk about in our slideshow, in our PPTs. The second one is going to be reading strategies for technical and business texts. The third one is going to be about extracting key informations and evaluating creditability. And the fourth one is going to be about interpreting charts, reports, and executive summaries. Starting with the first slide and the first point, skimming versus scanning versus in-depth reading. Now let's go with the meaning. Understand different reading strategies based on your purpose. That means quick overview, finding data, or deep understanding. What is skimming? What does skimming word stand for? Skimming means reading fast to get the gist. As we know in today's time, skimmed milk. What is that milk? The upper layer of the milk. Same is the case with this word also. Skimming means reading fast to get the gist. When to use? To get an overview or main idea. That means where we don't have to get deeper, where we have to just take an overview, we can use this word. This word is used. How? Read titles, headings, subheadings, first sentences of the paragraphs. Not going deeper into it, just finding out what exactly it is all about. The upper layer of it, the upper layer of the news, the upper layer of the mail, the upper layer of the data, just trying to understand the basics. Example, you read the headlines, subheadings, and bold words to get the main idea. Government launches new health schemes for rural women, aims to improve access to free medical checkups. Purpose is getting the gist or bring big picture. Now let's describe it in a very shorter manner. Skimming is reading fast to get the gist, the bold words, the subheadings, the headlines, meaning of the paragraph. And for example, we can take a government launches new health schemes for rural women. What do we understand by this line? We are skimming the line. We got an idea that government is organizing something for rural women. What is the scheme? What is the interaction which people have to do? What are the plans? What are the principles? What are the rules? What are the strategies which the government is going to headline? That would be the inner part of the message. The skimmed part of the message is that government launches new health schemes for rural women. What is scanning? Searching for specific facts or data. Skimming is just going through the message, the news, not getting deeper into it, just understanding or knowing it from above. Scanning is searching for specific facts or data. When to use? To find a number, a name, or a keyword quickly. How? Move your eyes quickly down the page looking for the keywords. Let's go with the example. You are asked what is the launch date of the scheme. You don't read everything. You look for the number or dates. You quickly move your eyes over the article until you spot it. The scheme will be launched on June 15, 2025 in 5 states. Purpose: find a specific detail. Scanning is finding a specific detail or a specific data. Skimming versus scanning is, skimming is just getting the information, overview of the information, not getting deeper into it. Scanning is finding a specific data, a number, a keyword quickly. And if the question is, we are looking forward for a date, what is the launch date of the scheme? That is the only thing which is asked, which is known, which needs to be identified. You quickly move your eyes into the paragraph and check that the date is 15th of June 2025 in 5 different states. Specific details. Scanning is specific details. Skimming is just having an idea or an overview of the particular topic. Clear? In-depth reading. What does in-depth reading mean? Reading slowly to understand everything. In-depth reading means reading slowly with all your thought process and understanding everything word by word, bit by bit. When to use? For contracts, manuals, research papers, or anything critical. Why? Because contracts have every specific details in them. When to open, when to close, what all documentations are required, what is necessary, what are the pros and cons of that. Same is the case with manuals, same is the case with research papers, and same is the case with any critical documentation. If you don't read those documentations slowly, precisely, and don't know about everything, you can be in a state of confusion. How? Take notes, underline key points, reread if needed. Now, if you have a document with you, if you have a manual with you, see, why are manuals needed? Why are contracts needed? Every single topic can't be discussed over in a meeting. We can take an overview. Skimming and scanning is this where they are used. Skimming is getting an idea, scanning is getting an idea of a particular data. Whereas in-depth reading is taking a contract, a manual, or anything critical, reading it bit by bit, noting everything, underlining the key points, and reading if necessary time and again and again, so that every single word, every single documentation is there in our head. It is very clear in our head and we are aware of the pros and cons of that particular sequence or that particular document. For example, now you are writing a report about the scheme, so you read the entire article carefully. Obviously, you read the entire article because you want to know about the scheme. You want to know about your interest. You want to know where your interest lies. You want to know where are you going to get something beneficial. So, for this particular reason, you have to go for in-depth reading. You need to read the article entirely, carefully, to understand the scheme properly, to avail the benefits of the scheme. It should be taken in-depth reading. You read every paragraph, take notes, highlight key points about objectives, implementations, target notes, highlight key points, target audience, budget, and expected outcomes. Purpose is understanding the full context, intent, and structure. See, this slide is very clearly identifying the purpose. We have been talking about skimming, scanning, and in-depth reading in our slides in our module 3, whereas in skimming we understood that it is taking an overview. whereas scanning, it is understanding about a particular data, whereas in-depth reading, it is about contracts, manuals, and the critical reading. Why? Because you have to understand a scheme or the article carefully or the documentation carefully for implementation, targeting audience, budgeting, and expected outcomes. So it is very clear, very precise, that understand the full content, intent of the document, and the structure of the document. In-depth reading, reading slowly to understand everything. When to use? For contracts, manuals, research papers, anything critical. How? Take notes, underline key points, reread if needed. Now you are writing a report about the scheme, so you read the entire article carefully. You read about budgeting, audience, expected outcome, everything very clearly. Skimming versus scanning versus in-depth reading. Skimming, reading fast for the main idea, use in real life. Scanning a newspaper or homepage for news updates, browsing job postings to see which one interests you. What is skimming now? You are reading fast for the main idea. You are looking for a job, you are looking for a homepage or a news update or anything. You quickly take a newspaper, just go through the headlines, where you fix yourself, you see, okay, this is my news, this is my interest, I'm looking for a job, this is a job orientation paper out here. You go for that particular page. So you skim it, you skim the newspaper, you skim the homepage, you get an area of your interest. After that, you scan that area. So skimming is used in real life. Skimming, scanning a newspaper or homepage for news updates, browsing job postings to see which one interests you. Then comes scanning, searching for specific information, using in real life, looking for the date, time of an event or a poster, finding a price or feature in a tech product specific sheet. And in-depth reading is reading for complete understanding, use it in real life. Now, this particular page is talking about an idea where you going to use skimming, scanning, and in-depth reading as an example. Either you're looking for a job, or you're looking for a news update, or you have to write an article, or you're looking for a product. You have to check the browser, the newspaper, just go through it. Once you go through it, that is skimming. Once you start scanning it, trying to find, looking for the date, time, that is scanning. Once you go into in-depth reading, that is where you're finding the information. Thank you.